In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set role in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. You will be working inside the administration settings, so you may need the right permissions to see all of the options I mention. Take your time as you move through each screen and watch the labels closely, because Zoho People groups access settings under a few different sections. First, go to the top right corner of the page and click Settings. This is the central place where Zoho People keeps system-level options, including user permissions and access controls. After you open Settings, look for the option labeled Manage Account and select it. Manage Account is where you can control how users are organized and what they can access. Inside Manage Account, find the tab called User Access Control and click it. This tab focuses specifically on permissions, roles, and access rules. Once you are in User Access Control, look to the left sidebar. You will see different categories listed there. Click Roles to open the Roles Management area. This is where you can create new roles and maintain existing ones. Now that you are on the Roles page, locate the button labeled Plus Add Role and click it. This will open the form needed to create a new role. In the Role Name field, enter the role name you want to use. Choose a name that clearly describes the position or responsibility, so it is easy to recognize later. Clear naming makes it simpler to manage access as your organization grows and as more people are added to the system. After you enter the role name, review it briefly for spelling and consistency. Then click Submit to save the new role. Once submitted, the role should appear in your roles list, ready to be used for organizing users based on their responsibilities and access needs. That covers everything you need to know.